Hi everyone, I'm Siuk from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to create event on WhatsApp. Creating events helps you organize and manage gatherings with friends and family directly through the app. So, let's get started on how to create event on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your device. In the chat section, open the general chat of the committee or group you are involved in. Now, tap on the plus icon from the bottom left corner of your screen. From the menu, tap on the event option. Enter a name for the event. Now, add some descriptions if you need, then set the event time. Finally, tap on the send option in the top right corner of your screen to create and share the event. And this is how you can create event on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.